Cybersecurity is getting highly relevant for production plants and infrastructure owners. Nowadays, IT teams are more and more involved in protecting the factory operation and are also part of automation decisions like the approval of an industrial remote access solution. We also observe that often our customers, who are usually automation specialists, do not have all the expertise to address this security discussion in detail. They need our help to deal with these security questions and gain the acceptance of IT specialists and decision makers. This is why we created a collection of documents and information to support users of our solution on this security acceptance journey. For people not familiar yet with the Ewon solution, I would recommend to start by sharing our remote access FAQ. This short document describes the concepts used across the Ewon solution and provides a high-level overview of our security mechanism implemented in it. It is highly effective. Feel free to integrate it in your standard documentation, to share it with your sales team, or to customize it with your own logo. This ISO 27001 security standard is well recognized by IT specialists and demonstrates the professional management of security and processes by Ewon. So do not hesitate to share our ISO certificate during preliminary discussions. It is a very important independent proof of Ewon's strong cybersecurity posture. Should you need more information about what ISO 27001 is, a short video introducing the standard and explaining the scope of this security certification is available. Security is only as good as the weakest link. In our best practices for a secure usage of the Ewon solution guide, we list practical recommendations that our users should follow to minimize the risks. They can also use the included checklist to describe the security measures that they have implemented. It may then be shared with their own customers to demonstrate a good internal security posture. For IT security experts who need a more detailed description of the Ewon architecture and security concepts, we do have the Security White Paper, a very good reading that goes in the nitty-gritty of Ewon's cybersecurity approach. Additionally, if you want to learn more about specific security technologies we implement in our products, like the hardware root of trust, asymmetric cryptography, do not hesitate to watch our security-related videos and blog articles. In conclusion, we highly recommend that you use all these assets to facilitate the acceptance of Ewon remote connectivity. You will gain more efficiency in servicing your industrial equipment.